This is a weekly recap from the 5th to the 9th of January 2026. In the first week of 2026, Big Four banks and oil and gas were in the spotlight. VN Index hits historical peak. The index enjoyed a stellar trading week, surging by a total of 83 points to officially set a new historical record at 1867 points. State-owned banking stocks broke out strongly following the issuance of Resolution 79 regarding the development of the state economy. The oil and gas stocks rallied across the board, driven by psychological expectations following events in Venezuela and global supply risks, despite domestic listed firms having no direct exposure to projects there. Foreign investors returned to a net buying position of 590 billion VND across the entire market after net selling earlier in the week. VCB was the top pick, followed by VHM and MBB. Liquidity improved significantly, surpassing the 20-week average, signaling that cash flow is returning to the market with high momentum. Many brokerage firms expect the VN Index to continue its breakout towards the 2,000-point mark in 2026. This optimism is fueled by the anticipated market upgrade by FTSE Russell this September and stable macroeconomic recovery. Monday, 12th of January 2026. Liquidity explodes as VN Index extends its early year winning streak. The index maintained its upward momentum in the first session of the week, closing at 1877, 9 points higher than yesterday. Yes! The VN30 index also performed positively, rising 14 points. Yes! The market witnessed a massive surge in cash flow, with trading value on the Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange exceeding 40,000 billion VND, the highest level since the beginning of 2026. The matched volume was 70% higher than the 20-session average.
Hey, that's pretty good.
For leading sectors, securities is the most explosive group, with many stocks hitting their daily ceiling price. Banking remained the primary driver, led by the state-owned duo VCB and BID, which both hit their ceiling prices again. Other state-owned enterprises attracted strong interest, with several stocks such as CTR and VTP also hitting their daily price limits. The real estate sector, the Vingroup family, and the oil and gas group faced strong downward pressure, with some stocks dropping near their floor prices. Foreign investors provided further support to the market with a net buy of over 1,000 million VND on the Ho Chi Minh stock market. The most heavily purchased stocks were VCB, VPB, and HPG. Investor sentiment is highly optimistic, with consensus among market-sensitive groups such as steel, banking, and securities. The uptrend is firmly in control.